Pastor boy say mrantia wobo homodin ye pa ewo oman Ghana mo eba na ahosiesie na akwaniase nyina so no won aye adwuma esefata se won eye ba ne nsiesie ewo oman Ghana fana enyina na won abomodin ya na mpanifo so ehunu ne woye enti Chartered Institute of Marketing Ghana basebo mrantie yinsa akabi
Pastor boys for womo eye mabuna ode won wasi ho na woye adwuma ede abo my Ghana ni nyina ne se ye monten so ebedini na abasobode de free se wo free ondwumadi ase won fimpinu ni aduonum yensam de abasobode wonye bebre na ene eyade CIMG Chartered Institute of Marketing Ghana womo abo womo abaso na ni nyina no eye adwuma som a wode na di sonko ewo oman Ghana mu na wo wieye no eyade a opani a wono ene woda Pastor boys for Womuano a Yahine Bakojo Safo Wakasaye.
This particular CIMG award is the 15th award for the Pastor Boys in 2 years. You know, with CMBO, I mean Chartered Institute of Marketing Ghana, CIMG award, an honorary award to Pastor Boys. But I'm happy and I'm still sad. I'm sad because I didn't award we always go and show it to the man who continues to inspire our journey. I'm talking about no other but Apostle Dr. Engineer Producer. And I'm sad because today he's no longer in human form where I could go and show him that Papa, we made it. There's another award for Pastor Boys and probably say thank you for the word service to mankind, the service to God. Service to mankind, service to God. It's not just any word, but it's actually the key to life. So it wasn't just the first one that you saw. President of the CIMG, that is a special award of the president of CIMG to Pastor Boys. So this is it. And this is also a citation. And then let me see if I can read a few. I'll say CIMG National President Award 2024, Pastor Boys, founded in July 2023 by visionary civil engineer Hineba Kodosafo and an initial team of just 5 volunteers. Pastor Boys merged as a result of his deep frustration with fields. I'll try and post a picture so that those of you who might want to read also get to read the citation and this and that. So basically just to update you guys, Yasanji another award, and thanks to service to mankind, thanks to service to God, and thanks to everybody who also supports what we do as Pastor Boys. We know that this is a journey and we will definitely get to that destination of a clean, green and a beautiful Ghana. So thank you guys for believing in us, and thank you to the Chartered Institute of Marketing Ghana.